The most common way of spying is to use other people as Devin did. This the method is simple, powerful, but risky. Risky, powerful or risky. Will you will certainly gather information, but you have little control over the people who are doing the work. Perhaps they will ineptly reveal our spying, or even secretly turn against you. It is far better to be the spy yourself to pose as a friend will secret gathering information. The French politician Tarrant has one of the greatest practitioners of the desert. He had an uncanny ability to warm secret out of people in polite conversation. A contemporary of his, Boro de Veteros, brought wit and grace mark his conversion. He forced the art of concealing his thought and his masculine breadth of transparent will of insinuations, but that impelled something more than they express. Only when necessary did he inject his upon. Only when necessary did he inject his upon personally. The key is an Tennant's ability to surprise himself in the conversation to make others talk endlessly about themselves and inadvertently reveal their intention and plan. Throughout Tennant's life, people said he has a superb conversationalist, yet he actually said very little. He never talked about his own ideas to goad others to reveal theirs. He would organize friendly game of charades for foreign diplomat social gathering where, however, he would careful through his word casual casual confidence out of them and gather information invaluable to his work as France foreign minister and the Congress of Vienna. He did his spy in other words. He would he would protling out what seems to be secret actually something he had made up, and then watch his listener reaction. He might tell a gathering of diplomats, for instance, that a reliable source he had revealed to him and he had revealed that the Kazakh of Russia has planning to arrest his top general from treason. By watching the diplomat reaction to this made-up story, he would know which ones were most excited by the weakness of the Russian Russian army. Perhaps their government had designed on Russia, as Warren von Siscon said, Musketeers fires a pistol into the air to see who will jump out the window. During social gathering and inauguration encounter, pay attention. This is when people's guards are down. By surprising your own personality, you can make them reveal think the billions of the maneuvering is that they will mistake their interest in them for friendship, so that you can't only learn, you make allies. Nevertheless, you should practice this tactic with caution and care. If people being to suspect you are warming secret out of them under the cover of conversation, they will strictly avoid you. Emphasizing friendly sector but not valuable information. Your research for gem of information can't to be obvious can't to be obvious, and or your probing question will reveal more about yourself and your intention and about the information you hope to find. A trick to try in spying come from La Rochefoucauld, who brought sincerity is found in very few men, and is often the cleverest of Rasban insincere in order to draw in order to with in order to draw out the confidence and secret on the others by pretending to bar our hurt the other person. In other words, you make them more likely to reveal their own secret, give them a false confession, and they will give you a real one. Another trick is identify the philosopher author Scoffonier, who suggests vehemently contradicting people who are in conversation with as a way of irritating them, stirring them up so that they are they they lose some some of control over their body in their in their emotional reaction. They will reveal all kind of truth about themselves, truth you can later against use against them. Another method of indirecting spy is to test people, to little to lay little trap that make them revealing thing about themselves. Choros second, a notorious clever 7th century king of the Persian, had many of way to seeing through his subject without raising suspicion. If he noticed for an instant that two of his courtiers had he had become particularly friendly, he would call one of them aside and say he had information that the other has a tractor and would soon be killed. The king would tell the courtiers he trusted him more than anyone and that he must keep this information secret. Then would watch the two men carefully. If